Hi everyone. In this lecture we will see what is begin statement in Ruby. So I'm inside my Ruby directory. So I have only one file, that is sample.ruby. Okay, so we will see what is begin statement in Ruby. So before demonstrating anything about begin, I just want to show you some examples so that the concept will be clear. So I have sample.ruby. Let me create a new file, that is begin example.ruby, and remember, every file we should use the extension .rb, then only it will consider as Ruby file. Okay, sorry, so let me copy the sample.ruby file as begin example.ruby file. So instead of writing every time some code, I'm just copying it. So if you open begin.example, we just have one print statement, that is puts this is my sample code. Okay, let me open that begin example. So we just have, this is the the directory where our Ruby is installed, and then followed by one just put statement. It means this is displaying this is my sample code as output. Okay, let me run this. So to run, use Ruby followed by the file name begin example.ruby. Okay, so we got output. This is my sample code. Okay, now in the same file we will try to add our begin statement. So what is begin statement? You will see that. So okay, I'm printing this is my sample code, and also I want to print another line. So before that, let me use begin, and remember I'm using all the caps letters or uppercase letters, begin, and in between the begin followed by curly braces, and in between the curly braces write whatever the code you want to write. For simplicity, I'm printing some text. This is, otherwise I'm inside begin statement. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, let me run once again the begin example. Okay, if you see, we got I am inside begin statement first, and then we got this is my sample code. But if you see, actually it should print this is my sample code as first, and then it should print I am inside begin statement, but we got the output in other way. The reason is, so whenever you use begin statement, the Ruby will execute these statements first. So that is the significance of this begin statement.